Hello everyone. Today's video is going to be a little different because I'm going to reminisce about those epic movies we've all watched. I mean, if not all of us, at least the most of us. I thought I should start the Reminisce series with English movies because I grew up watching a lot of Hollywood movies. So, Reaper reminisces about the following movies. My first creature feature ever was Jaws. I mean, I was terrified of the ocean for a while after watching Jaws. A shark attack on the shores of a town called Amity Island is where it all began. The Marine Chief Officer wants to shut down the beaches, but the mayor fears the destruction of economy because of this incident, especially during the summers. With no measures resulting in some more deaths, the chief, a shark hunter, and an oceanographer head out to the sea for a great white hunt. The movie is available on Jio Hotstar, and most recently, a documentary has been released on Jio Hotstar called Jaws at 50, The Definitive Inside Story, where you have Steven Spielberg discussing the birth of Jaws and bringing it onto the big screen during the 70s. An interesting watch. I definitely recommend it. I've cried every time I've watched this movie. Not many people have watched it or even heard of it, but I definitely recommend it. Originally an Italian movie, later dubbed into English, the story takes you back to the 40s during World War II when Nazi Germany occupies northern Italy. An Italian Jewish family is sent to a concentration camp where the mother is separated from her husband and son. The father tries to protect his son's innocence as he has no idea what this concentration camp means to them. He's a 5-year-old. The tactics his father uses to safeguard his son from the brutal truth is what the movie is all about, and it is extremely beautiful and heart-wrenching at the same time. It is available on Prime Video for rent. Although you gotta pay $100 to rent this movie, it is totally worth it. You all think I was introduced to the Egyptian civilization in middle school through my curriculum? Nah, probably when I was younger, maybe 8 years old, when I watched The Mummy. And now you all know why I had an I am an archaeologist phase during the time. The pyramids, the Sahara Desert, the scorpions, the disgusting beetles that crawl through your skin, and mainly a quest to kill Imhotep, the mummy that was brought back to life. I mean, who wouldn't like a story with all that? This movie for a while made me believe that you can wake the dead with a book and a key reciting spells in ancient Egyptian. Keep an eye out for Imhotep on Prime Video. Before Annabelle, there was Chucky. This doll gave me the shivers back in the day. Child's Play was probably the OG manuscript for all horror movies around the world, with the doll being the villainous ghost. A serial killer ghost trapped in a doll was horror back in the day, but now when you see it, it's kinda hilarious too. This kid pleads his mother for a good guy doll as his birthday present, only to find out later that the doll is possessed by a serial killer named Charles Lee Ray. The ordeal this child goes through, being the suspect for a murder which he obviously didn't commit, and you have Charles Lee Ray aka Chucky to thank for that, is horrendous. Chucky is here to stay apparently on Prime Video. Catch him if you can. Action thrillers combined with an anxiety-driven hostage situation is so much better than regular action movies. An ex-policeman, basically an ex-bomb squad officer, becomes an extortionist, planting bombs on elevators and buses. The conundrum with the bus though is you can't cross 50 miles per hour, but when in an unfortunate event that does happen, you can't slow down. So, as always, is the build-up. The bus crosses 50 miles per hour and now it will detonate if it slows down, goes below 50. Also, it is set such that it blows up sometime before noon. Oh, another thing. The bus is being monitored by the extortionist, so no one can get off the bus or the bus blows. So many rules, so little time. Back in the day, we were served with so many hostage movies like Air Force One, Panic Room, Under Siege, Die Hard 1, and so many of them. But my personal favorite is Speed. You want to board a city bus? Board now on Jio Hotstar with Keanu Reeves and Sandra Bullock. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know your thoughts on these movies in the comment section below. Also, do let me know if you have any great movie recommendations that The Reaper could cover in the next video. Subscribe to my channel for more recommendations in the future. Follow me on Instagram, my handle being The Content Reaper.